We start you off with the Orlando East Community Policing Forum that has raised concern over the rise of house robberies in the area. They are urging residents to remain vigilant and strengthen security measures. The CPF says criminals are targeting homes at night, with some suspects reportedly posing as service providers or exploiting unlocked gates and doors. Residents are being urged to avoid opening for unknown individuals, report suspicious activity immediately, and work closely with neighbors to improve security safety. The CPF has also called on communities to take part in patrols and other crime prevention initiatives as police continues investigations.
Kukhala ngezigilamkhuba ezingenela abantu ezindlini zifune imali nesezihlalisa umphakathi wase-Orlando East Lubhojozi. Kusolwa ukuthi lezi zigebengu zisebenzisana nabahlali ukuthola ulwazi olubucayi ngemizi.
Sinenkinga kakhulu esibhekana nayo yama-break-ins, abantu bangelelwe ezindlini ngezibhamu, then badrainwe imali through their cell phones, and abanye bagcine ba-sustain ama-injuries in terms of being stabbed or badutshulwe. Lokho kusipha inkinga kakhulu ngenxa yokuthi kuyinto enathi esisathi sayilandelela ukuthi ingabe umsusa wayo usukela kuphi. So isuspicion yethu ukuthi laba basuke begqoka ama-balaclava abaziyo or abaziwayo kuleyo ndawo leyo. Then laba bangasuke bangagqokanga ama-balaclava abasuka kwezinye indawo uthola ukuthi banezibindi, kumele bona kube yibona aba-executor lowo msebenzi lowo.
Kusenjalo kube sekunxuswa umphakathi ukuba uhlale uqaphile ukugwema ukuba yizisulu.
Ama-street block committees ayadingeka. Istrata from ekhoneni to another corner, if they can have at least ama-street committees awu-3, and then always sibe nama-patroller in the street. Masinabantu abayi-5 estradini esisodwa sizokwazi ukuyicombatha le crime. And ama-whistle ayasebenza, a massive job kwamampela. You must have a whistle in your house, so when uma ngabe ubhekana nenkinga enjengaleyo ukwazi ukuwhisila, umphakathi uzokwazi ukuthi ugelare ukusiza.
Khona manjalo inkinga kaGqamcishi ehlasele le ndawo ibe isikhonjwa njengomthelela ekunyukeni kobugebengu.
Lama load reduction impela nawo asilimaza kakhulu because uzothola ukuthi yenzeka ngesikhathi la khona abantu bebuye emsebenzini kakhulukazi. Ucabange mangabe uzoyenza load reduction ngo4 okanye ngo6, ugesi uzobuya ngo8 ebusuku. Istrata simnyama sonke. Igebengu ke sithatha iadvantage mangabe kunjalo, so bese soplida nje kakhulu nabantu besithi power nabe-Eskom ukuthi abakazame ukulungisa i-infrastructure yabo ngendlela elungileyo, because manje nayo isisicontributela kakhulu kule crime esi-experienceayo.
Izakhamuzi zakule ndawo zibonakala zithuthela ezinkundleni zokuxhumana zizwakalisa ukuhlukumezeka ezikutholayo ezandleni zalezi zigilamkhuba. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise-Orlando East.